Hey, Pinto. You never wanted me to call you.
No, I didn't want. Why?
Yeah. Every time, last time I just told my children that I'm going to invite you. But this time round you have come straight away to join us.
Oh, yeah.
Why have you just come to join us?
Because I love you.
Oh, you love us. Wow, we also love you too. So today we need to tell these children, we need to tell them the sentences that have sound A, or that the sentences, and then these little ones have to pick, to listen carefully, and then they select the word that has sound A from the sentence. All right, that's amazing. So Pinto and I are going to take you through that amazing Yes, amazing. All right. Now, the sentence is apes eat fruits and vegetables. Apes eat fruits and vegetables. Pinto,
Yes.
which word has sound A in that sentence? Tell us.
Apes.
Yes, apes. Yes, that's amazing. Also, there is vegetables. But that one was a complicated word for us. That's why Teacher Ting Ting has told you that sentence. And then we find fish in lakes. Which word has sound A in that sentence? We find fish in lakes. Which word has sound A?
Lakes.
Yes, lakes. Lakes, isn't it? The word lakes has sound A. Good. And the crayons are in the box. The crayons are in the box. Which word has sound A?
Crayons.
Wow. You're so brilliant.
Thank you.
Yes. And Pinto, not, yes, Pinto. Pinto shall open the gate. Pinto shall open the gate.
How?
Hey, by using your hands. But now we're looking at which sentence has sound A. Pinto shall open the gate. Which word has sound A?
Gate.
Wonderful. And grandma takes milk every morning. Grandma takes milk every morning. Which word has sound A?
Takes.
Wonderful. The word takes has sound
A.
Yes, amazing. Then mother gave us a glass of water. Mother gave us a glass of water. Which word has sound A?
Gave.
Yes, gave. That's amazing. Trains move long distances. Do you remember when we went in a train?
Yeah.
Yes, we went very long distances. So trains move long distances. Which word has sound A?
Trains.
Yeah, that's true. Trains. The word trains has sound A. And then we use rakes to clean yards. We use rakes to clean yards. Which word has sound A?
Rakes.
Wonderful. A rake. We use the rake to clean the yard. That's amazing. Then snake bites can kill. Snake bites can kill. Which word has sound A in that sentence?
Snakes.
Yes, snake. Yes, I said snake. I didn't add sound S. So the word is
Snake. Snake.
yes, snake. Yes, snake has sound A from that sentence. And then cakes are sweet. Cakes are sweet. Which word has sound A?
Cakes.
Yes, amazing. The word cakes has sound A. Wow, that's so amazing. Thank you, our beloved children, for watching this video. Please remember to watch it again.
And again and again.
Yes, until you become champions. Bye-bye.